tonight we have a special treat here. You can see I brought a bucket up with 8 quarts of water in it, and I'm going to try out the bathroom drain. I'm going to pour the 8 quarts of water right in the drain right here, right now. And let's see what happens here. Here goes the water in the drain. Water in the drain. The water is going down the drain, as you can see. The tub has emptied, and this is the first time that water has ever been in this drain. There's still some water in there. Seems like it's going pretty slow. I don't know why. I don't have this thing set up yet. Looks like this rubber didn't want to seat right for me. I'm going to have to work on that, but not today. Now let's see what's wrong with this here. Well, anyway, the water went down the drain. I'm going to go downstairs and see if anything has been leaking down there. Okay, off with the video. Well, like I was saying today, that I did the caulk and did the water test, and like I was telling you before, saying before, that I put this hole in for the blower, and this here blower vent tube is more like a sock, and it goes from ceiling all the way over to this down part here, and into here. Out this part here is to be covered up by the wall, and it goes into outside right there. This here will be wall, like I was saying before. Man, I just don't know if I should leave an access panel here, because this here tube is very flimsy. It's kind of like a rubber glove in a way. I don't trust it. Probably have to replace the damn thing or something. But anyway, I'm redoing this video is because this was really, it took me a long time to get that tube run all the way down there. There is insulation up there. I had to pull out insulation, and this tube came in. It was just about when it was all crunched up, it was maybe a half of 8 to 10 inches long, and it comes out to be 8 feet. It's supposed to be 8 feet. That's what I needed. It was right, but it took me about 2 hours just to get it run up there and then down. It was something else. It looks like a real plain, simple straight shot thing, but it isn't. It was pretty difficult, and it was hot up there. My arms still itch with insulation because I had to reach all the way up here. Actually, I put the tube over a piece of board, a small piece of wood, and stuffed it up there. And it was something. It was a challenge. Anyway, that's what I want to redo on this video. Alright? Alrighty, here we are at just another little milestone in the project. As you can see, here I have all the walls framed up. I thought I would be able to get at putting the electricity in today, but that was just a dream. I had a lot of problems, with these old houses, and you forget to do something, and here it costs you 2 hours, and that has happened to me about 3 times today. Yeah. Well, anyway, I got a new milestone here today to talk about, and that is I have the bathroom, the walls framed up here. And tomorrow I still have to put the the stud here, the jack stud for the door, because I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this, because I have two doors here to do that too, because these the ceilings are shorter than a normal door, so I'm either going to have to get some doors specially made, get some standard doors and cut them down, or make my own doors. Hallelujah, that'll be a lot of fun making my own doors, huh? Well, anyway, that's kind of like how the bathroom is going to be looking. We have an idea of what the size will be here now. Anyway, that is the project for today. What I got accomplished in the last day or so. And it's starting to shape up. Alright? Alright! Alright. Huh. Well, anyway, come to the light. Come to the light. This is now, I just finished cleaning up here. I just, this is towards the end of my stay, the third stay of our project upstairs, our bathroom project, and redoing the whole upstairs, and indeed redoing the whole house. Eventually we'll get it done, and cataloging everything that we're doing. So this right here is the new bathroom. I got a lot of lights on, as you can see here. I put two new lights here that go on and off of this switch here. I'm going to turn off because they're so bright. There we are. I just have some old fixtures hanging there, just to get to make the lights work. You see, they work really well. I put in a three-way switch here, right there, and it works this light here, and I can go over here and turn it back on with this switch, and that all works. Pretty impressive, huh? Well, anyway, and then I put the blower. There it is. Can you hear it? It's blowing away. We have the shower, the tub and the shower surround all over there that I put in. We have all the plumbing, all the electrical work, all the plumbing back here that we've seen already though. And this here is another part of the place, but the next part of this project will tools and chair here. We'll be getting drywall on the walls, but first I'm going to order more of the subflooring and get that up here before it's too late, because it's difficult to get up here. But along with the subflooring, I'm going to get the drywall up here, and as I think I said before, start vapor barrier insulation and drywall. And this thing is really taking very good shape here. I've been working very, very hard. This here, I'm back up here. This here, I'm in the bedroom area now. And here is a doorway I'm going to walk through, and this, I'm going to turn off the light. That's a three-way switch, man. I did that. Yeah, I'm going to go out. Can't wait to get these ugly colors out of here. Oh, man. These colors are terrible. But eventually we'll get all that taken care of. So I'm going to turn the lights off over here. So, and then I'm going to turn this light off here so it won't be so bright. And then we can just see the bathroom alone. I don't know, it looks kind of, going to back up over here. Back up, and there's the bathroom. Back up some more. Cops have been over last night. Cops have been over tonight about the neighbors next door. Man, they gotta, he's this guy, landlord has to get rid of those guys. They gotta go. But anyway, here we are. Look around. Are becoming a brand new bathroom. It's all over here. Okay, and this is the bathroom cam, I guess you might say. This is it for this day, and I was here for about 10 days or so, and I did a lot of work. And I'll go back home to Saginaw to my cakes and the kitties. And we'll be there for about 5-7 days, a week or so, and then come back towards the end of the month and do more work, and work. It's going to be work, because it's got the whole house to do. The whole house is a project to do here. So that's what I'm going to be up to for a long, long time. Okay? Good night, all. I'm going to go downstairs and get something to eat because I'm very hungry. All right? Good night.